up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and actually doing something a little different today. Sorry for the wind. We've got a guy locally, and I'll get a little more in-depth about the car later on, but the guy bought this car new. It's a 89 GT black, and it's bone stock. He's had it forever, like since 89, and it's got a little issue, so me and Dover are actually going to go help it out. And please don't say anything about the garage. I know it's an absolute mess, but I've got the distributor out of my 92 when I changed it out and put the billet distributor in it. I had my distributor. My car was low miles. It was perfect. I just kind of upgraded. But so what we're going to do, we're going to hop in the truck and go over and see if we can't get this stock, like mint Fox, wait till you see it. Get this thing back running, get it right, and save a Fox. Let's go. So we are actually headed over to check out this car now. We're going to save a Fox again.
Yes.
We save a lot of Foxes.
For somebody else this time.
Right. And for the record, Dover's already tried to buy the car. I haven't seen it in years, but the guy is definitely not selling it. I mean, if I bought something new, I probably wouldn't sell it either, especially a Foxbody these days.
Not 30 years later.
Exactly. So this guy will probably be buried in it, so no, he's not going to sell it. Don't even bother asking. But we are going to save it, and let's do this. All right, guys, so we have arrived. We got Dizzy, we got Coil, Tools, and of course Dover to work his magic. But car's right over there. Gonna fix this thing up. All right, so
thinking, he said,
first thing we're gonna try here, just swapping the coil real quick. Let's see how she does. But yeah, one owner, 89 GT. Gotta love the black.
Oh, I gotta put the cable on, huh?
Yeah, Dover, you gotta like hook the battery up, dude.
I tried out there.
Let's see what happens.
Alright, let's change this distributor.
So the coil did not fix it. So
I had low expectations on
yeah. I mean, it's so easy to plug in, you might as well, but give it a shot. But actually, this car, like I said, he's doing a few things to it. It's not perfect, but super nice car. Still got the original turbines on, original owner. Interior, very nice. And again, he's doing some stuff to it, so got the door panels and all that off. They've already tried swapping the PCM. That didn't help. But man, you don't see them like this anymore. Alright, new distributor in. Moment of truth. Let's see if she fires up. Is that success? Timing's probably a little bit off. Success. Alright guys, so one thing we actually forgot to bring was a timing light, but
What was I thinking of?
we're gonna go get us a timing light, and so we can get the timing back set on this car. And man, that thing's so stock, dude. We gotta buy it. I'm serious. Like, we need that thing.
I don't think it's
cool. I don't either, but man, it's a nice car. Alright guys, so no go on the timing light. Unfortunately, they didn't have one, but I think we're just gonna tighten her down.
I think it's pretty close. You got the other distributor?
Oh, this car.
That's nice. Cost me the truck. It's garbage, I guess. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they didn't want to make us a deal on a timing light, so we'll just get it closed.
Put it back where it was.
Right. Good thing is she's running, but all right, so here we go, second try. Let's see if she runs a little better this time. Yeah, definitely. Sounds plenty healthy. Not wanting to idle. Alright, so here's the issue with the distributor. I don't know if you can see it in there or not, but pickup came apart. Right there, which is why the car didn't want to start. So we got the distributor out of my old car. It's in there, it's running. But this car has a lot of the issues that a lot of stock Foxes have. You know, older Foxes. One of them is right here. You see the heater core. The heater core's bad. Car's needing a clutch right now. Just a lot of little things. Needs the right battery on it. Just a lot of little things. But again, this car's super old, but runs like a champ. I mean, it's just, these cars are so ridiculous reliable. It's unreal. And I love this car. I'm absolutely in love with this car. What I really want to do is like totally restore this car for him, because he seems like he's really serious about doing that. So we'll see. All right, guys, so we got a success. Car is back running, and he actually just told us this car has been sitting over 2 freaking years. It has not moved from this spot in 2 years. It's crazy. And not only that, but this car has 204,000 miles. I was seriously thinking it was like 104 or something like that. But this car actually has 204,000 miles. Doesn't look like it, but hoping we can get this thing out in the shop, bring her right back to life, let her go another 200,000 miles. All right, so success. Fox body rolling again. We got to get that thing out to the shop. It needs all the little stuff that Fox bodies need. It wouldn't take anything, like a good day with that car.
Oh yeah.
And we would have that thing right. But I like that car.
Nice.
Like, I get attached really quick to that car.
Can't believe it's been sitting 2 years.
I know, 2 freaking years. That is insane. And it fired right up as soon as we fixed what was wrong with it. But all right, guys, so we got to get back to work. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we're gonna keep saving these Foxes. Later.